Okay, well, I've never built an alien, and I never watched a video of someone else building an alien, and it doesn't look like there's any instructions on how to build the alien in the alien package. So I have to get this thing together because I know I'm going to be 3D printing some stuff to make this work for my client, to fit the ProSight, to fit the VTX, the camera, and the antenna. And I hear guys are 3D printing some cool antenna holders that are better than the original, so I'm going to look into that. So let's get this thing together so I can figure out how I'm going to fit this thing in it, because I'm sure it's not going to be plug and play. So let's open up this Impulse. I don't want to cut anything. I mentioned this because it was a big ship, and I thought for sure we're gonna have no problem fitting the Connex in here. So we got the forearms, we got the bottom plate, we got the top plate. No, is that the top plate? Or is this the top plate? Or are there two different top plates? It looks like there's two different top plates. I'm going to have to look into that. The battery thing. And I don't know. Side brace. So let's check it out. Very nice, very pretty. Those aluminum also. Yes. So maybe I have to watch a video on how this thing goes together. So let's take it all apart anyway. These have to be two different top plates. It has to be. And this is the difference. This is the difference. I'm going to leave that one off to the side. Let's grab some of these. And I'm winging it. We're going to wing it. We're going to wing it until we have to go watch a video. You hear that carbon? Go listen to that Trouble Blades video and listen to that piece of carbon. That piece of carbon is like glass. Literally sounds like glass. So this has got to be the camera thingamabob. So you would assume this goes at the front. And the slots look like the front is here. Now, I like that. I'm assuming that's how it goes. And this one goes the exact symmetrical opposite. How we doing so far? I think we got to get to standoffs. Let's go with that. And you think these are planned out per item here? Perfect. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the other reason I went with this. Whatever's inside this thing is going to be protected. This thing's a tank. It's going to be a tank. Alright, we got spacers and looks like a set in threaded piece. Why only one though? So I'm gonna watch a video and then get it together. I think I can kind of do it. I mean, you know that this goes something like this, and then this one goes something like this, and this goes something like this maybe. And then this one finally goes in like this. And then an intermediate plate. No intermediate plate. They just gave you two different top plates. Maybe this is an intermediate plate. Alright, I'm gonna go watch a video. Well, I got the alien together and I unboxed the Connex ProSight system, and it doesn't look like it's gonna fit in there without some real work. I mean, it fits in there like that, but that's goofy. And that's the camera end. It doesn't fit in the other end. Then the camera don't fit between the two carbon pieces. The camera doesn't fit between the two carbon pieces. So there's gonna have to be some modification there. This is an easy one. I mean, it's easy to make a mount here, and I've seen some things on Thingiverse, and this looks pretty durable, really, to tell you the truth, as long as you don't ruin the antenna. So that might be nice. But I'm gonna give this a couple of days, and I'll remove these and see if I can fit it in there. But just by standing it on here, it won't lay flat anywhere in here. It won't lay flat anywhere in here. But I got an idea. So hang with me, alright? I got a great idea. Okay, I'm still trying to fit this Connex system in this alien. And I got a bunch of posts from my local hobby shop in all different lengths, right? Standoffs. And I'm trying a few things. What do you think? Here's another standoff in here. I think I got it all to fit, and I don't mind 3D printing some stuff. Like, I'll 3D print something here to hold the antenna. I might even design and print this whole bottom foot. And then the camera, it came with a mount. It came with this camera mount. And it's got vibration dampening. Yeah. So it fits in there now without the side pieces on. And I got that much tilt. But I bet you the lens is being inhibited by something. I guess not that bad. At full tilt it is. But if you were only at like 15 degrees, I don't think you'd have an issue. What else? This, it looks like this lens or camera has a big rubber thing on it, right? I'm wondering if I could take that off. See this rubber thing? I don't know. We'll see. But it looks like I'm gonna make it fit. Whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know. If like I hodgepodged it too much to make it fit. I'm using both of the top plates that came with the Impulse RC Alien, and I'm gonna house the ProSight in between those two. And really, I can drop these standoffs on the bottom down to there, but the camera won't fit. You get me? Yeah, they didn't have the in-between length. I want to say this is 15 and this is 25 or 30. No, it's got to be 25. Nope, it's not even 25. So yeah, that's where it is.